Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Hairvivi and I have another beautiful unit to show you. First, I want to show you some of the different styling tools that is available for purchase on their website, and I will have the links to all these items linked in the description box. Now I just want to give you guys a close-up of what this unit looked like so you could get a really good look at this beautiful HD lace. This is the type of film lace that you see the celebrities wearing, and I just want to show you a close-up again with it against my skin. The knots on this unit will come pre-bleached and ready to install. As you can see, it does come pre-plucked. However, I am in a mood to customize this unit. So I'm simply going to go through and pluck this unit just a little bit more to my liking. And it's not a lot of plucking that you need to do, but I'm just doing a little bit more to make it look as natural as possible. So now that I'm finished plucking the unit, I'm ready to try it on. And I'm just giving you guys a close-up look at what this lace looks like from the inside. There are the typical 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and the adjustable elastic band. This unit is also beautifully colored. There are highlights throughout this unit, and the color is strategically placed on the inside of the unit so that it gives that pop of color from the bottom. But before we move forward, as I mentioned to you guys, this is an HD lace. So I want to give you a close-up so you can really get a good look of how clear this lace is. As you see, as I run my finger through it, you can barely see the lace. And I just want you to get a really good comparison so you could tell the difference between an HD lace and some of the other laces that are available on the market. As I always tell you guys, if you want to have a flawless install, it's really going to come down to how well your lace blends with your complexion. When you're dealing with these HD lace, it blends with all complexions. Next, I'm going to lay down the top of this unit using my Fabley Asia Beauty wax stick. One of the main tools that you guys need for a flawless install will be a wax stick as well as a hot comb. These two are imperative to have, as this really helps you get a nice flat install and makes the unit look more natural. Next, because this install is meant to be super beginner friendly, I'm simply going to use some of my Got To Be Glue hairspray and spray down this unit. As always, you want to take a cool blow dryer and blow dry it until it's dry. I like to do the middle and then lay down the sides. This is the best method that I've found to make sure that the lace is properly aligned with my hairline. And next, I'm going to simply repeat that same step on the other side. As always, you could just clean up any excess Got To Be Glue hairspray by using a damp wash rag, and it will come right off. Now, you guys can install the unit however you want. You guys know I don't like to use glue too often, just simply because I don't like to go to sleep wearing my units. However, this can be laid using glue just the same. Next, I decided to use my tinting spray just on the front of this unit just to ensure that it blends seamlessly with my foundation since I am wearing makeup. And this tinting spray just matches my complexion really well. So if you can find a tinting spray that matches your complexion, it will be heaven sent because it will make a lot of your installs a lot easier. This particular brand that I'm using is by Wig Extensions and the color is in mocha. And I found this at my local beauty supply store. Then I decided to lay some light baby hairs. You guys know I'm the queen of light baby hairs. I don't typically do the overdone baby hairs. I like for my baby hairs to look as natural as possible. All right, don't go nowhere. I don't want y'all to miss all the detailed steps and how I got to laying this unit. And I'm gonna tie it down with my scarf and let that sit for about 5 minutes just to get that to blend in with my skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my makeup palette and apply some of that foundation to the parting area. And I'm going to also apply it lightly to the front of the unit. Again, this foundation is going to blend with the foundation on my face to give a flawless transition. Now, since this is the middle part, I decided to just go in with my hot comb and do like a little bump in the front. And then I decided that I wanted to put just some loose curls in the front, and I'm using this steam curling iron and just bumping the front slightly. And then I'm just going to repeat that same thing on the other side. And when I curl it around the curling line, I'm always curling it away from my face. And now you guys can get a better idea of how the color of this unit looks. As you see, it's the pop of color on the inside of the unit as well as on the top. As always, when you're dealing with a Hairvivi unit, you're going to get a lot of parting space. So I'm just showing you the different options that you have for parting it. And now you guys know I'm a side part girl, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see what this unit looks like as well with a side part. And I want you to take a good look to see just how deep this part is going to the back, and that'll just give you a good idea of just how nice this parting space is. And then I'm just going to repeat that same step of applying the foundation to the parting area. And that's going to just help bring the part out a lot more and make it more visible. Next, I'm just pulling the hair to the back to show you the different options that you do have with styling this unit. You could rock a middle part, you could do the side part. You can also wear it to the back because it is a 13x6. You do have lace all around the front of the perimeter, as well as a generous parting space going to the back. It's the natural hairline for me. Next, I decided to just slightly cut a long bang in the front to add to this hairstyle and give it more of a layered look. What do you guys think? Are you digging this hair or what? So dolls, this is what the final look of this install looks like. How simple was this? This is what I like to call the Hairvivi difference. And dolls, I was able to secure a coupon code for you guys, and I do have a limited time code that'll save you $21 on a purchase if you are interested in this unit. As always, I'll have all the information in the description box down below. And dolls, you know I'm gonna need y'all help naming this unit. Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed a few days ago. The new name as well as the person who submitted that name will be listed across the screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also comment below and let me know what you think. And if you're not part of the Faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And also check out these videos. I guarantee you'll love them. And until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in the next video. Take care now.